Right, made a bit more progress. Roof is starting to go in, so I'll give you a little walk through of how I've sort of done it. Okay. Right, what I've got is acoustic panelling from B&Q. It's for walls, but it's quite lightweight. It's the thin stuff, about 5mm thick, maybe 6. It's lightweight. What I've done, insulated the roof all the way around, and then I've literally just screwed it to the beams to give me as much headroom as I can. And I reckon I'm going to get a whole width out of 3 panels. And it looks pretty good. It's a bit of a two-man job because holding it up and trying to screw it in was a bit of a nightmare. But I think it's quite effective and looks quite professional. This bit here is for, it's going to be where my microwave's going to be, up here. So I've got to trim the next panel up along here, because this is going to have a panel at the end coming along and down. And along the back, it's actually going to change. I'm going to get a different colour, because where these are only this long, I think I'm going to make a barrier up round, across and down. So there's like, with the bed area, there'll be like a hatch, if you get what I mean, or walkway through. Coming up each side and along and round, so then it's a nice stopping point for that if a piece of wood is up against it. If I say offer up that could sort of sit, and then from the other side I'm going to put a different colour in this bit and then put this around for the skylighting. But yeah, it's a bit of a short video, but I'm just sort of doing bit by bit and uploading them, little bite-sized pieces. But I think that roof will look alright when that's done. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, there's a few other bits and bobs, but there's about 9 other episodes on this camper build. There's a few little videos on how I've done stuff. But yeah, see you on the next one.